Hello everyone. Today's video, I will share what I learned with Crew AI. So at the moment, I'm listening to a lecture from Nomad Coder, which is my favorite platform to learn anything really fast. And the first step of that course is to build the AI agent with Crew library. And the original lecture is to create the AI agent, translator AI agent to translate the language from A to B. But to have more fun, I tweaked a little bit the purpose to fit my goal. So, as I want to improve my English skill and I'm ahead of the IELTS exam, I changed the goal to fit my benefit. And it took about 30 minutes to 1 hour to build from the scratch to this stage. It's almost perfectly working. So it was really fun and it was really impressive. So I want to share what I did to make this output. So before diving into the code, I want to share the sample output, so you can get some inspirations as well. So what does this agent do is this agent takes the list of the news RSS feed, and then it chooses one of them based on my interest. And as you can see here in markdown format, it says why the agent chose this article and the short summary of this article, and it picks some word based on my level, B2 to C1. This is my English level at the moment. So I want to improve it. And going down below, and as you can see here, you also can see some example phrases that I can practice, and below mini practice that I can improve the IELTS score. And as I said earlier, to make this output, it only took 30 minutes or 1 hour. And if I build something similar to this, I bet it will take less than 30 minutes, I would say. So I want to share what I did. So before I start this project, it's my first project for the AI agent, so I didn't know what I have to do exactly. So I was doing the brainstorming with ChatGPT first. So like this, I asked ChatGPT, what can I do with my goal? And ChatGPT answers in two parts. First, does it make sense of this project? Yes, of course, as far as I avoid just making another news scraper. So fair, and it gives me very nice feedback. How can I improve this agent? And the second part is how to scope it. So basically, it thinks that from 0 to 100%, it may be too big to finish it. So it divided the steps that I can follow to three. So the stage one is MVP, minimum viable agent, which I can implement like in 1 hour. And the stage two is make it automatic and personalized. And lastly, IELTS aware coach mode. So this is the last step, final step that I am aiming to. I can aim to. So today I finished this stage one in 1 hour. It was really amazing. So my next prompt is like this. So this is the RSS newsfeed URL that I found so easily on the internet. So RTE is my favorite journal. So I searched like this, RTE News RSS feed, and it gives me this list. And I just choose like two randomly because anyways, those are too much for me. Maybe if I can improve my English, I can increase the number of articles. but one is enough for me at the moment, so I didn't give too much inputs here. Then I asked ChatGPT, let's start. And the answer was inspiring. And as you can see here, it gave me the full code and then what I have to do to set up the project. There was a little bug here, however. So if you see this number 2 section, you can see the Python code. And if you scroll down, it looks like the code ends here. However, the below part is also should be the part of this string. So I think this is just a bug that ChatGPT has to fix, but it was minor for me because I was able to understand what's going on here. So that's the maybe this is the most part that I spend my time to build this project, to fix this broken part from the answer. So from here to the end of the line here, everything has to be in the code block. And finally, it shows how to run the project. However, I am using UV at the moment. UV is like any Python project management tool. So I asked ChatGPT again, please show me the correct pyproject.toml file to set up the project. And it gives me the answer back to set up the project. And to set up the project with UV, all you need to do is with this pyproject.toml file, run the command UV sync. That's it. And I copied the code that ChatGPT gave me and fix some grammar or add just a little bit descriptions to fit my purpose. And I'm mainly using cursor tool here. So if you see the project file structure, it's really simple. So this is the main file. I wanna close this one. Okay. So this is the code that ChatGPT gave me. And I adjusted some script to remove my name here because I don't want to put my name in the code in the Git, so I removed. And also if you scroll down here, you can see the agent role and goal and backstory. So I defined who you are, what you have to do, and the output that I want from you. This is the most important part when you are building an agent. So of course, those are also generated by AI with my purpose. So it was really easy. And so this is the details of the descriptions that I want to see as an output. So I edited this format because ChatGPT's output is broken at the moment. And that's it. That was it. It was really simple. And also I used this basic AI chat mode in Cursor as well when something happens. So for example, I asked why the error happens in the Python file, and I realized the code is not completed at the end of this line. So that's why I debug this error so fast. And something, the other one is maybe this one. So at the last step, I didn't ask ChatGPT that I want to save the output as the markdown format. So this is the last part that I asked to Cursor to save the output as a file, because otherwise you're gonna lose the output in this terminal when you close the project. So to run this project, you can simply run uv run with the Python file, and with this running, you can see okay, I think it's still running. Okay, it's now done, and you can see the new file is created with the timestamp 11. Yeah, this is the latest one, and markdown preview shows what article this agent choose and why, and also short summary and some vocabularies that's useful for me. Okay, so maybe I can close this one. Okay, this is better. No, okay, can I wanna see. Okay, I will find how can I see this preview with more easy way. I think this is so annoying. Anyways, the result looks quite good. Department is infrastructure. Actually, it's easy. The words is too simple, but maybe I can add just the level of the words difficulties later. Okay, so this is it. Maybe I will come back with the next video to implement the stage 2 and 3 to finish this agent project. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye.